Hello, I'm Anna Poli, an instructional design expert, and I'm excited to invite you to my intensive training program. If you have a slide deck filled with valuable knowledge, but struggling to engage your audience, this is an opportunity for you. Imagine transforming those slides into a dynamic online course with Captivate and Educate. Join me for a 2-day training called Turn a Presentation into an Engaging Online Course, where you will master the art of creating immersive e-learning experiences out of static slides using iSpring Suite Max. During our Zoom sessions, I will explain the key principles of effective course design, and you will create interactive courses complete with role plays and assessments. With practical assignments and personalized feedback, you will leave the training with a polished portfolio piece and an official certificate to showcase your new skills. Plus, enjoy 60-day access to the iSpring Learn LMS, rich with resources and session recordings. Seats are limited, so secure your spot now. Let's turn your presentations into impactful e-learning together.